Okay, let's start because we cannot wait for the others. Time is on 9:34. So, good morning, P6. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm okay.
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 Who's not okay here? Huh? Everybody's okay. Everybody's fine, but everybody's uh good. Okay. Look, Imbun very happy. Huh? Imbun is very happy and eating and also mixed eating. Only now you take your break breakfast. Huh? Only now. Okay. Let's start with our lesson. So this is our lesson. So again, as you see in the first slide, is our school. Okay, the Anuban Tibon West School. It's our uh, no, not last because Wednesday is our last in math. Okay. Is there any news about this coming July 1st? Huh? Is there any news update about this coming July 1st? Huh? We're been continuing our online class. How about Bahas? What is the news, Bahas? Do you have any update about yes, this coming July 1st? No? We will continue the online class or we go to school now?
I think continue the online class.
Oh, okay. So we will continue. I don't think so because I don't know. Okay. So here is our topic for today. Physics. Still, until Wednesday, we will finish the unit 1, factors and multiples. And this time, lesson 8, find the LCM using short method. And lesson 9, solving problems. Okay? Unit 1, factors and multiples. Lesson 8, find the LCM using short method. And lesson 9, solving problems. Okay? Okay, as we studied before, how to find the LCM by division method. We write the numbers in a row separately by commas. Then divide the number by a common prime numbers. We stop dividing after reaching the prime numbers. And the product of common and uncommon factor is the LCM of given numbers. Again, to find the LCM by division method, okay, we write the given numbers in a row separately by commas. Then divide the numbers by a common prime number, and we stop dividing after reaching the prime numbers. And the product of common and uncommon prime factor is the LCM of given numbers. Okay? How to find the lowest common multiple by using division method. Okay? LCM using division method. To find least common multiple by using division method, we need to follow the following step. Number 1, write the given number in a horizontal line, separating them by commas. Step 2. You are divide them by a suitable prime number, which exactly divides at least two of the given numbers. Step 3. We put the quotient directly under the numbers in the next row, and if the number is not divided exactly, we bring it down in the next row. And step 4, we continue the process of step 2 and step 3 until all co-prime numbers are left in the last row. And the last step is we multiply all the prime numbers by which we have divided and the co-prime numbers left in the last row. This product is the least common multiple of the given number. So we have to follow these 5 steps to find the least common multiple using division method. Okay? It's only just a review about the past lesson. Next, example. Okay? Example, you are going to find this common multiple or LCM of 20 and 30 by division method. This is the solution. So you are write the numbers in horizontal. This one is 2 divided by 2 is 10. 30 divided by 2, 15. 10 divided by 2, 5. And 15 divided by 2 is 15 because it's not a factor of 15, 2. So 5, 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then 5, 1 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the least common multiple LCM of 20 is 20 and 30 is equals to 2 times 2 times 5 times 3. And when you multiply this, it is 2 times 2, 4 times 5, 20 times 3 is equals 60. So 60 is the LCM of 20 and 30. Next, another example, LCM of 50 and 75 by division method. Okay, this is 50 and 75. You are going to divide by 5 and 10. 75 divided by 5 is 15. 10 divide, and then 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 15 divided by 5, 3. And then 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 3 divided by 2 is 3. No, it's 1, okay? So, 3 divided by 1 is 1, and you put this 1, only this, okay? 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then bring down. If it's not, divide by the number, okay? So the LCM is 5 times 5, 25, times 2 is 50, and 50 times 3 is 150. Okay, that is the LCM of 50 and 75. Okay, another example is number 3 numbers, 15, 35, and 45. Okay, 50, 35, and 45. Use the division method. Okay, that is 15, 35, and 45 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 35 divided by 3 is 35. No. Okay, so you bring down the 35, and 45 divided by 3 is 15. Then put 5. See, 5 divided by 5, 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So as this number is no more, same factor, okay? So all this is in 1, okay? You can divide these numbers in 1. So as if you are going to divide this 3 times 5 times 1 times 7 times 3 is a answer of 315. That is the LCM of the three number. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let us consider some of the examples to find lowest common multiple, the LCM of two or more number by using division method. So, find least common multiple of 120, 144, 160, and 180 by using division method. We can read the explanation and see below. Okay, in the next slide, I will show you the LCM of 120, 144, and 160. That is a bigger number, okay? First, we write all the numbers, okay? These three numbers, you write in a row, separating them by a dash or comma. Then we divide by the least prime number, for example, in 2, which divides all the given number. Okay, you can divide these four numbers into 2. Now, we put the quotient. Quotient is the answer in division, okay? 60, 72, 80, and 90. This is divide by these four numbers, divide by 2. So the answer is 60, 72, 80, and 90 directly under the number in the next row. Then again, we divide by 2 and put the quotient 30, 36, 40, and 45. These two, you will divide these four numbers by 2 under the number in the next row, so third row. So we continue the process and similarly we divide by 2 and put the quotient 15, 18, 20, and 45. Okay, this one. That is fourth row. Okay. Here 45 will remain as it is because we cannot divide 45 by 2. So we directly write under the numbers in the next row. Similarly again, we divide by 2 and put the quotient, example 15, 9, 10, and 45. Here, 15 and 45 will remain as it is because we cannot divide 15 and 45 by 2. And we directly write under the numbers in the next row. According to the explanation, we continue the process until all co-prime number are left okay, this is, okay. As you see, this first row is the four numbers, and then divide by 2. This is the second row. Divide by 2. All this number you can divide by 2. And this one, the third row, only 45 cannot divide by 2. So it's bring down as if. Okay? And this fourth row, only 15 and 45 cannot divide by 2. So this is bring down only. Okay? And then in the fifth row, we divide all these number into 3. But 10, it cannot. Okay? Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes.
I want to see
Yes.
if you're listening or not. Okay?
Yes.
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 Okay. So, in the sixth row, okay, in the sixth row, all these number divide by 3. But 5 cannot, and 10. So, it's bring down. Okay? Same for the next one, this is only just the same. So, next is 5. 5 can divide, and then 1 no, bring down, and 10 divide by 5, 2, and this one is 1. So still, you will see the prime number, 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So all of in the last row is 1. Okay? But, can you, what's that? I want to see. Very, oh, bahat, bahat. We cannot hear because there are some noise. Okay? Okay, as you see, all the last row is 1. Okay, at last we multiply all prime numbers, okay, by which we have divided the co-prime numbers left in the last row. Example, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 2. So when you multiply all this number, the answer is 1,440. Therefore, the product is the least common multiple of 120, 144, 160, and 180 is 1,440. Okay? How do you do LCM method? Okay. So there are two methods. That is find the LCM using the prime factors method. Okay. The first one is short division. Okay. And this one, prime factors method. Number one, find the prime factorization of each number. Number two, write each number as a product of primes and matching primes vertically when possible. Number three, bring down the primes in each column. And number four, multiply the factors to get the LCM. So in the prime factors, you are using the multiplication. And in the short method is a division. Okay? What is the short method of division? Arithmetic, short division also called the bus stop method. Okay? Short division also called the bus stop method is a division algorithm which breaks down a division problem into a series of easier steps. It is an abbreviated form of long division whereby the products are omitted and the partial remainders are notated as superscript. Okay, example, what is the LCM of 121, 280, and 550? You are going to calculate the LCM. The least common multiple or LCM is the product of all factors in the greatest number of their occurrence. And the least common of one is what? Can you do 121, 280, and 550? Anyone who can do? You can try. You can try. Oh, P, you raise your hand. Can you try to do?
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer? Of 121?
I'm finding the answer.
Hmm? All of you do. So if you finish, you can tell me what is the answer. Not only P. Everybody. So those who raise their hand is T, Sams, and Pon. Okay. And also yolk. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, let's start with
15,400.
again.
15,400.
He is 15,500. T
400.
400. How about you, cents?
169,400.
That is P is 15,400. How about cents? Is again cents
169,400.
16,400. Okay,
No,
and
169,400.
169.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Next is phone.
169,400.
169,400. How about yolk?
Wait,
How about yolk?
wait, teacher.
Huh? How, how about yolk?
I don't feel.
You don't have answer? Huh?
Wait, teacher. I.
Okay, you do. Okay, finish. How about the others? Is there any answer? Okay.
Yo, I finished now.
So the correct answer is okay, how about you, Lun?
169,400.
Okay, so the answer is 169,400. Okay, so cents, phone, and is correct. Okay. Okay. This is I put the answer. Just wait. Okay, I put the answer here. So what is the least common? The least common of 3, 12, and 16 is a small number using division method is 48. Okay. Number 2, what is the least common multiple LCM or 12, 30, and 40 by using short division? All of this is using the short division. So number 2, the answer is 120. And number 3 is the LCM of 20, 30, and 50 is 300. And number 4, the LCM of 18, 24, and 60 is 360. This is also using the short division, but small, unlike the example in the last slide. It's too big. Okay, that's why 100,000 is the answer. This one is only on 100. Okay, let's do this as we review the HCF and also the LCM. Okay, number 1, whose HCF is 6?
E.
A, B, C, or D?
E. E.
Ah, better. I will ask. If, what is the answer? If. Hmm? What is the answer? If. A, B, C, or D? Who's C, H, C? C. Okay, next. Number 2. What is the HCF of 17, 51, and 68? Okay, start. Start. Huh? What is the answer? Huh? A, B, C, or D? Puri. Ay! Puri.
D.
A?
D.
D. So your answer is D. Okay, next. Number 3, what is the greatest counting number that 14, 42, and 84 are divisible by? Bahas. What is the greatest counting number that 40, 42, and 84 are divisible by what number? A, B, C, or D? Hmm?
14 D. D.
Ah?
D.
D? Are you,
Yes.
B is your answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Number 4, what is the greatest counting number that divides 19, 28 and 82 and leaves a remainder of 1. And leaves the remainders of 1. Nate? In 19, 28, and 82, the greatest counting number, and then have a remainder of 1.
B.
B?
B.
B? Are you sure B? Okay. B is your answer. Are you sure? The greatest counting number that divides 19, 28, and 82 and leaves a remainder of 1. Is that 6?
I don't know.
You don't know. So who can answer? May I see? Gem.
No.
Gem, what is the answer, Gem? Huh? C? C? Or what is your answer? C. Okay. The answer is C. Okay? Because when we multiply by 9, this is 9 times 2 is 18. So, there's this 1. 9 times 3, 27. So there is 1 remainder. And 82 divided by 9 is 9. 81. So there is 1. Remainder 1. Okay? Okay, number 5. From the factor 3, which of the following statement is correct? When A is equals to B times B times E. So, A, B, C, or D. A is a prime number, B is not a prime factor, C is a prime number, and E is a prime factor. So, which of these statement is correct? I call. What is the answer? Huh? Ming Kwan. Ming Kwan. What is the answer? A, B, C, or D? Ming Kwan.
I think is C.
C is a prime number. Oh. No. How about you, Pai? Pai. Pai. Even you are not open your cam, I will call your name. I don't know why you always hide your face. Huh? Those who not open the cam, I'm telling you, I want to see you because I want you to know. Who's this? Pai, what is your answer? Letter? Huh? A? A? No. How about you? Hmm. How about the 10-10? 10-10.
B.
Huh? Again. B? No. Mingquan answer is C. And then Pi answer A. And 10-10 answer B. All wrong. So the answer is
D.
C. Okay. Number 6. What is the smallest number that is divisible by 3, 4, and 6? What is the smallest number that is divisible by 3, 4, and 6? Okay, I call atom. Atom. What letter? Divisible by 3, 4, and 6. Atom.
Very sure.
Huh?
Very sure.
Ay.
C.
What?
C.
A? Atom A?
C.
Huh? What is your answer?
C.
C. Okay. Very good. Number 7. What is the 30th term of the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? The 30th term of the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And so on until you reach the 30th term. When you do this even number. Okay. I call. Oh, you raise your hand. Those who raise their hand. Puri, Yok, Bahas, P, and Gam, Pon. That is the 30th term of the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on until you reach the 30th term. Okay.
A.
Tom, stop doing that. You listen. That's why some of you not open the cam because you do.
Letter A.
Okay, your answer is
40.
30. 40? Are you sure?
D.
Huh?
D.
B.
D.
B.
60.
So T answer is A. Who answered B? Are you sure? Huh?
Teacher.
So what is the answer?
I answer, teacher. I
Oh,
want
Ken. What is the answer?
60, number D.
Okay, 60.
I think letter D, teacher. I think my first answer wrong.
Okay, 60. Okay. Number 8. Which number when added by 35 give prime number? Sums. Prime number sums. Sums means the answer in addition. So when added by 35, give prime numbers sum. Which of these? A, B, C, or D? Which numbers, when added by 35, gives prime number sum? Hmm? Okay, anyone? Tutor, non,
I think B.
Mimi, Pakbong, Virus, Mook.
Letter B. Letter B.
Who answered that? Who answer B?
Phone.
Huh?
Phone.
Pon. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay. Number 9. What is the difference of the Hcf and the LCM of 36, 54, and 90? Difference is the answer in subtraction. Okay. Subtraction. So you find the highest common factor and the LCM of these three numbers, and then you are going to minus. Okay. Okay, take your time to do this. Difference. I see who's doing. Then I call.
Me, teacher, me can.
Can?
Yes.
Oh, can. What is your answer?
Letter C.
No, not C. It's not C. Some of you very busy, I saw in the screen, some of you very busy, but some of you, okay. Never mind. I know who's doing. Okay.
Teacher, B.
Who's answered that?
Phone.
Pawn. Okay. Pawn is correct. 522 is the answer. Okay. Number 10. Okay, what is the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus and so on until 60? What is the sum? What is the sum of 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 and so on until 60? When you add all of this number until 60, what is the sum?
Teacher, 930.
Huh? 900.
930.
Okay, the answer is 930. Okay, next. Number 11. From the following number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 14, 16, 21, 42, which number are not factors of 42?
16.
Are not factors. So when we say factors, more than one.
16.
Huh?
16.
15? No. 15? No, you choose
Four.
this number.
4.
4 and 4 and
16.
4 and 16. Okay. Who answered that? No, those who answer, huh? I will write here and then I will give check those who answer. Okay. Okay, next. Number 12. Number 12, the Hcf and the Lcm of two counting numbers are 3 and 90, okay, respectively. If one number is 18, what is the other number? So, 3 and 90. If one number is 18, what is the other number? Okay, 30,
30.
30.
Teacher, number 9.
Huh? What is the answer?
D.
9.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Try it again. T, 3 and 90 respectively. If one number is 18, what is the other number? How about the others? Huh? May I see the screen? Who's doing enough? See? This one. Those not who is Tanapong? Maya. Is you Maya? Maya. Is that you? Virus, Mimi, Tutor, and
Letter A, teacher, 30.
30. Again.
Letter A,
No. Why some of you? Rio. Rio. Hello, Rio. What is the answer? You cannot find the answer unlike what others did, that they compute, they will find the solution, and the others just only guess the answer. Huh? This Maya, Fairuz, Mimi.
letter C,
Okay, the answer is letter
C.
C, 15. Okay. Okay, let's answer each question. Huh? If I'm warning you, those not open the cam. I'm warning you. I'm warning you. This virus not open the cam. And then Tanapon Maya. Is this Maya? Huh? Maya, are you there? Virus. Huh? Why you're not open the cam? Huh? Tanapon. This is I think this is Maya, virus. You don't even open your cam, huh? One, virus. 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of you live, now this one, virus is not you're not respond. I put your name here. Do not open your cam and show your face. I will consider you absent. I'm telling you. Only 3, 5, and 7 students participate in our lesson. Okay, number 1. What are the factors of 8?
1, 2, 4, and 8.
Yeah, 1, 2, 4, 8.
Okay, the factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. How about Ida? Ida. Number 2. Smallest number that has 6 as a factor.
6.
Huh?
6.
Ida. 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 Tawanrat. Oh, your three name. You just look the screen na. Smallest number that has 6 as a factor. Oh, sorry, are you listening to my to the lesson, or you just put your microphone because you are going to listen to the other music, huh? Aida, what is the smallest number that has 6 as a factor? Pakbong. Smallest number. Gigi. Gigi. Hmm? How about you, Noreen? It's just very simple. It's only just a review about the past lesson. The smallest number that has 6 as a factor. Noreen, Fifa, is there anyone who answered?
12.
12 is smallest.
6.
6.
Huh? 6. Oh, it's very easy. Why others not answer simple question? Okay, number 3. What are the factors of 42?
1, 2, 3,
6,
6,
7, 14, 21,
7,
42.
14,
1,
24.
2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Okay. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 20?
3, 5, 7, 11,
3, 5, 7,
13,
11.
17,
One by one.
and 19.
One by one. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 20? Okay, I will
3.
call. I will call. I will call. Maybe Virus is not there, no? So absent. Okay, who can Imbun, answer. Imbun, you're eating. I see. If you listen while eating. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 20?
2,
2,
3,
3,
5,
2, 3, 5, 2,
7,
3, 5, 7,
11,
11,
13,
13,
17, 19.
17, and 19. Okay. How about number 5? Number 5, what is the only even number that is a prime number? Only even number. So it means one number. Even number that is a prime number. I think very easy. How about you? How about, there's a lot of absent today, no? Or how about you, Rio? What is the only even number between that is a prime number? Number 5.
B เหรอ teacher
Huh?
even number
Yes, that is a prime number.
highest number
Huh? What?
even
Yes. Number 5. What?
highest number
Huh? Huh? You don't know?
even highest number even number
Even number, only even number. That is a prime number. Huh? Ryu.
even number
Where are you? Ryu.
what teacher even number even number
So what is your answer?
wait mom
Oh, only even number.
what's this oh even number I don't know
I always repeating even number, even number. What is even number?
11
11? 11 is not an even number.
even number เลขคู่เลข even number is there is a highest number
Yes. Oh,
highest number
Number 2.
อ๋อถูก
wait, T.
even number เลขคู่
T help you. Hi, Ryu. Only 2. It is a prime number. It is
highest
even
number
number.
even number is เลขคู่ด้วยเหรอเชียว
Hi. Okay, what are the common factors of 4, 8, and 12? Okay, Can. What are the common factors of 4, 8, and 12?
common
Factors, yes.
factor
Oh, yes. 4, 8, and 12. Ryu, you don't listen to my lesson. Huh? Common factors of 4 and 12. How about Lukoya?
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, and
4.
4. Okay. What is the highest common factor of 4, 8, and 12?
4.
Huh?
4, 8 and 12
Yes.
wait a minute teacher
Highest common factor of 4, 8, and 12.
4.
Huh?
4.
4. Okay. Number 8. Number 8, write the two common multiples of 6, 8, and 12. The two common multiples of 6, 8, and 12.
2
Huh? Common multiples. Who? Who?
Yes.
Two common multiples of 6, 8, and 12.
teacher
Oh,
2
huh?
2
No. Hi, Pooh. What is your answer, Pooh? Huh? Nasmi. Nasmi. Shogun. Those names. Huh? Shogun. Tutor. Tutor. Anyone who answer?
72.
No.
2.
And 2.
Two common.
24.
Who's that?
24.
24, 48,
24 and
48.
48. 24 and 48. How about number 9? What is the LCM of 6, 8, and 12? LCM. Oh, Ryu. Yes. Are you watching? Huh? What are you doing? You're not concentrate. Oh, LCM of 6, 8, and 12.
Common factor.
Huh?
Oh, I see. LCM. This common factor of 2.
LCM. What is LCM? Until now, you don't know what is LCM.
I know.
Oh, what is the LCM of 6, 8, and 12?
2. I think 2.
Ah, 2? Hmm. 2? Bahas. Nate. Ryu, Bahas, and Nate. Number 9. Oh, Bahas. LCM of 6, 8, and 12. Oh.
2.
This common multiple of 6, 8, and 12. Bahas, Ryu, and Nate. I check those students who participate and answer my question. 24, okay. 24, how about number 10? What is the difference of the Hcf and the LCM of 10, 12, and 60? Difference. You will find the HCF and then LCM of these 3 numbers, and then you are going to minus. Cents. $10, $12, and $60.
58.
58. Very good. See? 58. Okay. Why? I have no choice but those Not listening, just always in the screen, open cam, but do nothing. Ay, no response when I called, oh, yummy, Imbon. Yummy, Imbon. Okay, so again, this is the video you are going to watch.
Good morning, children. Now you know how to find LCM using the prime factorization method. Let us learn how to find LCM using another method, which is by common division. Let us find the LCM of 30 and 45 using the common division method. So here we write the two numbers in a row separated by comma. Next, what do? We start dividing by the least prime numbers, and we use any divisor which is the least prime number and divides any of these two numbers. Note, it is not necessary to divide both the numbers. We find the least prime number which divides any of these two numbers, and the number which is not divisible by the least prime number is brought down as is. Let us see. Here we have numbers 30 and 45. 30 being an even number, we can try 2, which is the least prime number and even number 2. So 2 15s are 30 and 45 is not divisible by 2. So we bring it down as is 45. Next, we can try 3 because these two numbers are odd numbers and 3 is the least odd prime number. So let us divide by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 15s are 45. Again, here we have 5 and 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3, the least prime number which is odd. So we do the division by 3. Now 5 is not divisible, so we brought down as is. And 3 5s are 15. Next, 5 and 5. Both are prime numbers and divisible by 5. A prime number. So let's do the division by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. So here we continued to divide until we get the quotient of all the numbers as 1. And if we see, all the divisors are prime numbers. So what is the LCM of 30 and 45? The LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So the LCM is equal to 90, and this we found out using the method of common division. Now let us see how we did this finding of LCM using the common division method. First, we write the numbers in a row separated by commas. Next, what did we do? We divide the numbers by the least prime number which divides at least one of the numbers. Next, the numbers not divisible by prime numbers are written as is, and for the other numbers we write down the quotients. Next, we continue to divide by the least prime numbers till we get all the quotients as 1, meaning we get all ones in a row. Lastly, what is LCM? LCM is the product of all the prime divisors. So Now you know how to find LCM by another method which we call common division method. That's all for now. Bye bye children.
Okay, this is our summary. The SCF to find the greatest factor present in between given two or more numbers, whereas LCM define the least number which is exactly divisible by two or more numbers. HCF is also called the greatest common factor, and LCM is also called the least common divisor. Okay, another. How do you another? I will always repeat and repeat and repeat.
We have to find the HCF and LCM of 80, 20, and 30. How do we find the HCF and LCM of three numbers together? The best way to do it is by reducing all numbers to its prime factors and then write them in exponential form. Let's reduce 18 to its prime factors first. It is divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18 and 3 times 3 is 9. So 18 can be written as a product of these three numbers. So 18 will equal 2 times 3 times 3. In exponential form, it can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 squared. Let's move on to the second number, which is 20. It is divisible by 2 and the quotient is 10, which is also divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. We stop here as we got a prime number. 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5, and in exponential terms can be written as 2 squared multiplied by 5. And the last number is 30. It is divisible by 2, and 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. So we can write 30 as 2 times 3 times 5. And in exponential form as well, it is written in the same way. Now that we have written all three numbers in exponential form, we can move on to find the HCF and LCM. To find the HCF, we multiply the smallest powers of shared factors. So let's find the HCF first. Shared factors are the prime factors that are present in all the numbers. There are three factors that we have to consider: 2, 3, and 5. And out of these, 2 is the only factor present in all the numbers. Now let's look at the powers of 2. We have 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 1 again. The smallest power is 2 raised to 1. So our HCF will be 2. How do we find the LCM now? To find the LCM, we multiply the highest powers of each factor. For the LCM, the factors do not have to be shared. First, let's look at 2. 2 squared is the highest power amongst these three. So we write 2 squared first. Among 3 and 3 squared, 3 squared is higher. We multiply this with 3 squared. Notice that 3 is not present in here. It doesn't matter. For the LCM, we consider the highest power of each factor, whether it is shared or not. And the last factor is 5. We have 5 raised to 1 here as well as here. So we multiply this with 5 as its highest power. This is 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. That equals 180. So if you're asked to find the HCF as well as the LCM of three numbers, this is the method you should follow.
Okay. So now you are going to do this in your notebook. You are going to find the LCM and find the HCF of this. Do it now in your notebook. Get your notebook now.
For the advantages or the advantage of friction force is we can move forward sleeping state. We will not slide with the floor or to the floor. Sliding will be difficult because we have this under our wheels as a rubber. We can grip the floor with the rough surface and then you will not fall down or slip or slide. That's the advantage, the both sides of the force. Also for number two, we can hold things in our hands without grabbing them. So the friction force will with our hands. The grip of our
You can do that in 5 minutes. 5 minutes only.
will not fall down. And the last one is the two-sided first grip to go without. So we're using the heart with the rubber tire. Also with using the rough surface like this so it will represent the part of slipping. So this is the good side of friction force. Next, do you understand? Do you have any question? Yes? Any question? Yes or no? Do you have a question or no? No? No. So let's continue, okay? If you have questions, please feel free to ask before we continue further, okay? Next one. In some activities, the friction force can be very high. This will make for difficult or slow to change the path. So if the friction force is lower, it could make that easier or faster. So this one, examples of low friction force. This one, number one, we use engine oil or lubricant to make it work better. So without oil, the work of the engine is harder than the force is high, making it to move like slower. So we need some oil or lubricant in the engine to make it move faster, and then the friction force is slower. Number two, we can use a forklift to carry and move heavy objects. An example of like this one. Instead of carrying this heavy object, we can use this kind of car or forklift car to carry heavy objects, and this is also part of lowering friction costs. So we can move this one easily. Number three example, to build roads we design in this materials that can make the roads smooth. Because if this road is smooth or rough, some parts will slip. Next one. For lowering friction force, we polish the surface of objects to move the friction force lower. So in this slide, it should be shiny. You clean it up properly so the slide will be smooth and friction force is low. Next, can you create your science notebook? Science notebook. Here, what was the last time that you participated? Did you finish copying this one? Finish, alright. Yes. And also, did you finish the homework? Okay. Yeah, I said. I gave my question. So we copy this one So you have notes. This one goes copy this one in your notebook. In your notebook, which is copy in your notebook.
Hmm? Happy. Naging station yung pinapakita.
Finish, right? Finish. I will check this one. Number one.
Ching ching chong. Dang, 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 ding, dang, dang, dang.
Those who like to very good. Next, we go to number two. Types of surface. This is smooth surface and rough surface. Who's number one can see that finish? One.
Okay, finish.
Finish.
Okay. Raise your hand if you're finished. Put a hand. Okay, finish is one. Yolk. Okay. Puri. Sense. Bahas. MN. Mook and. Okay. How about the others? Huh? How about the others? You do or not? Hmm? So in number one, so 10 done already. Done already. Okay, I will call. You write your in the screen your answer. Number one. Number 1 is pawn. Number 2 is puri. Number 3 is bahas. Number 4 is sense. Number 5 is T. Okay. LCM. Number 1 is
No tawa.
okay, wait.
Okay.
Number 1 is pawn. You write your answer. This is pawn. Number 2 is puri. Number 3 is this is this puri? It is correct. Where is pawn? And this is who is number 5? This is T. Number 5 T. This is plun. Plun number 6 plun. Number 7 is pi. Okay. Number 6 is plun. Number 7 is pi. Number 8 is gam. Number 9 can. This one is, who is this? Number 7. Pi. Number 8 is gam. Number is can. Number 10. Who is number 10? Number 10 is Nate. So the answer in number 1 is okay. Puri 928. Is this correct? Puri? Puri, are you sure your answer is 928? Hmm? Ken, what is your answer, Ken? So your answer, Plune, is hello. Hello. Puri, your answer is 928. Bahas, it is correct, 928.
I don't know. My answer is 928 too.
Okay. So the answer in number 6, the answer in number 6 is 2. It is correct.
There are three examples for disadvantage and advantage.
2, number 7, 4,
No, only for the
1. Number 9, 79. Is this correct? Hello?
Number 2. Everyone number 2, right? Number 2, we have it is difficult to move things along the floor.
7.
Have we finished?
Can. Anyone who answer number 9?
Wait, me teacher, wait.
Wait.
Number 3. Tires. The tires will not pass to the outside.
Ah, it's too big. Is that correct? Loon, is this correct? 7,900?
My answer is not like that.
Huh?
I think my colleague.
Advantage.
Is it?
There are also 3 examples for advantage.
How about anyone who can answer number 9? Help Ken. Con. What is the answer in number 9? The HCF. Hmm?
Me?
Con is correct.
Then not me.
Huh?
I didn't like.
No, I'm asking you if it's correct.
No.
P. Look at the answer. 3,950 is the HCF of 158 to 200.
I had common factor. I think no.
Oh. So what is the answer?
2.
Huh?
I answer 2.
Why is so big your answer, Can? Huh? What is it? Why is so big? 2. Your answer is 3,000. 7,000, Can. We are going to find HCF, not LCM. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we are going to, so ready? Oh, okay, 10 minutes more. Okay. So this one, it's very quickly, Least common multiple, LCM, 2 methods. Okay. Multiple, the name first 6 multiple of this number of 5, the name the first 6 multiple of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So common multiple is a number that's a multiple of 2 numbers, and here are common multiple for the number 4 and 10. Okay. So you see the encircle number 20. That is the least common multiple. Least common multiple is smallest number that accepts a given number divides evenly into. It is useful to know how to do this so you can find a common denominator when adding or subtracting fraction. There are 2 ways to find LCM. Method 1. List the multiple of both numbers. Find the least multiple that both numbers have in common. Okay. And then make a list of multiple like what you see on the screen. Okay. That is a list of multiple of 32 and 40. Then what is the least common multiple of 4 and 10 that you see encircled? And the least common multiple of 3 and 9 is 9. Method 1 is easy to do because it is a good method if both of your number are really small. But if you have really large number, it might take too long to keep listing multiple until you find a common multiple. So this is the method 2 for the big numbers. Write the prime factorization of each number, select all common factor once, and then select the remaining factors and multiply. Okay, this is the factorization. As you see, this is a method 2. 18 and 20, select all common factor once, and then select the remaining factors. Again, another example. You are going to select all common factors once, and then the remaining factors. Okay? This one, another way. Okay, as you see, these are already division. Okay, LCM 5 factors method 2. Okay.
On which surface can the paths move the farthest and wide? So we use the tile.
Okay, now problem solving.
Grass, field, and concrete floor. So if we push the box with the use of the 4 surface, which one will move?
Okay, that is a problem solving. What is the smallest number divisible by 12 and 50? So what you are going to?
So everyone choose 5.
to find if the question is what is the smallest number divisible by 12 and 9? Huh? So we are going to use what? We are going to use the problem needs what? To find what? The problem needs need us to find what? What? LCM or HCF? If the question is what is the smallest number divisible by 12 and 15? So this
LCM.
LCM. Very good. How about in number 2?
Everyone can see what's on the chat, right?
What is the greatest number that 24 and 36 are divisible by?
HCF.
The problem need
Number one.
us to
That is the number one.
to find what?
HCF.
Okay. To find SCF. Okay, how about number 3? Number 3, the problem
Number one
needs us
the number
to find what?
HCF.
Find the LCM and number 4.
HCF.
Okay, the problem to find what?
HCF.
HCF.
HCF. Okay, so in number 1, what is the smallest number divisible by 12 and 15? So we need to find the LCM.
60.
Okay, and also this number 2 needs to find LCF. The question is the greatest number that 24 and 36 are divisible by. And number 3, what is the smallest number of books needed to distribute to either 12 or 30 students equally? That is LCM. And number 4, there are 60 red beads, 75 yellow beads, and 105 rainbow beads. If you want to put them equally in the bag, as many as possible in each bag, while not mixing the colors, how many bags of beads will there be? Okay, HCF. Okay? Next. Okay, let's solve this problem. There are 2 ropes. One is 1 meter and 20 centimeter long, and the other one is 1 meter and 80 centimeter long. If you want to cut them equally into the longest possible pieces in each bag while having no remainder, how long will each piece of rope be? So in this problem, you are going to find what you are going to use, HCF or LCM, and then give me the answer.
HCF.
Okay, if we use HCF,
and also this is because it has the roughness surface. Super rough.
so how many? What is the HCF?
50.
Huh? 60. Okay. Each piece of rope is 60 centimeter long because you are going to find one is 1 meter, so and 20 centimeter, that is 120, and this one is 1 meter and 80 centimeter is 180. You are going to find 100. So you are going to find the 120 and 180. I use the and that is 2. Okay, and this is divide to 2, and that is 60 and 90, sorry. And then you are going to divide by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 30. And 90 divided by 3 is 45. Okay, and then we are going to divide by 5. Okay, 30 divided by 5 is 30 divided by 3 is 10. And then 45 divided by 3 is 15. And then you are going to divide this into 5, and the answer is 2. That is 2 and 3. Okay, now we are going to find the HCF. The HCF is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, and the answer is when you multiply it, that is 60 cm. Okay, you see? So T is correct. Okay, I show you how to get the 60. Okay, next. Oh, it's already time. So this one. Who can answer? The blue bus arrives at the bus stop every 30 minutes. And the red bus arrives at the bus stop every 40 minutes. If the two buses arrive at the same time, 7 o'clock in the morning, when is the next time that the two buses will arrive at the same time? Anyone who answer? This is the last. Okay, we will continue.
9 o'clock.
Huh?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay. Or?
In the morning.
Yes. Or 120 minutes or 2 hours. Okay. The two buses will arrive at the same time again at 9 o'clock. Okay. You find the LCM. Find the LCM of 30 and 40. Then you are going to multiply by 2 times 5 times 3 and times 4. That's why the answer is 120 minutes or 2 hours. Okay. So the question is, when is the next time that the two buses will arrive at the same time? That is 9 o'clock. Okay. So we will continue this problem solving on Wednesday. So yan, it's many, I have a lot of. So in your homework, you do page 9 and 10 in math worksheet. Okay? We will continue about the solving problem because it's already time. So it is your homework. Okay? Hello. Okay.
Okay.
We will not rush the lesson about solving problem. I will repeat it again. Okay? 9 and 10 math worksheet. So that is only for today. So we will continue our lesson next Wednesday about Unit 1. and also the continuation of problem solving. I hope to see you on Wednesday. Everybody, goodbye and keep safe. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Keep safe. Eat your lunch. Okay. Your lunch. What is your food? Yummy? And meat is meat diet. Diet meat and also
We have unit test again about
oh,
these three topics that we discussed. What is